Gosh, I hate when it rains. Can't do anything.
Fool, it has to be something that we can do.
Ooh. I got it. It's not what we can do in the rain. It's what we can't do in the rain.
What not to do in the rain? Watering the grass. Washing the car. Umbrella fight. Jogging. Cleaning the windows. Share an umbrella. Play Jenga. Coconut. Condemning God. Pokemon battle.
Thunderbolt Pikachu!
Killing Sammy. Ugh. Tying a tie. Making it rain. Working out.
Why should we be pleasing any politician reasons who would try to cheat us?
Rocking out.
The state of the condition insults my intuition and it only makes me crazy and a hard Latin word. Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, brother, so can you. I'm the scat man.
Get in the newspaper. Ah, fuck!
I'm the scat man. I'm the scat man.